Hello Pinoy in Emirates and welcome back to my channel at samahan nyo ko ngayon sa Sendu.
Welcome to Sendu. So Sendu is not standing money, it's a comparison of all the exchange rates. Different providers, and you can see all the exchange rates.
Makan natin yung mga ganap dito ngayon sa Sendu. Thank you. Kaya pangalan?
Ayan sa
tayo ngayon sa event area. Dexter. Hello po. Good evening. Dexter. Hello po sa rito. Dexter po ito.
Hindi na kasama yung kaibigan mo?
Hindi po.
Yeah!
Pinoy in Emirates at ayan, thank you to Kabayan Rico and Mr. Jason as head of the Sendu family. And this is my first time to meet some influencers in Dubai. Kaya ikot-ikot muna.
Kain naman sa vlog. Hello, good evening ate. Kain naman sa sa content Pinoy in Emirates. In Emirates. Pinoy in Emirates. Emirates yan. Alam, Pinoy in Emirates. Shoutout lang. Shoutout lang lang. Yan, Pinoy in Emirates. Yan. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Pwede si Kuya. Hello po, good evening. Hello, good evening sir. Kuha lang. Good evening. Madam, good evening. Dexter po from Pinoy in Emirates.
Pinoy Emirates.
Yeah.
Pinoy Emirates, this is Atla.
Yeah. Thank you, madam. And
Hi! Pinoy Emirates! Hari Kasoy!
yeah. Thank you.
Pinoy Emirates.
Yeah, thank you. Ang ganda ni madam.
Thank you.
Ayan.
Picture nga tayo Pinoy Emirates.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Ganda mo.
Shoutout niyo dyan.
Sige po.
This shoutout.
Shoutout Pinoy Emirates!
Shout out Pinoy in Emirates.
Supportahan nyo ha. Supportahan nyo. Okay, supportahan nyo ha. Ang pogi ni sir ha. Wapo. Sir, anong gamit mo nga na sir? Sir, anong gamit mo sa lotion sa mo?
Ano lang. Harina.
Ang kinis mo eh. Ang kinis. Ako kasi perna eh.
Perla. Oo, sikat sa atin yan. Silka.
Si ate, anong gamit mo sir?
Si madam, yung ganda yung madam.
Ano lang? Yung simple.
Hello, shout out.
Shoutout! Ang papogi ko nga to.
Kaya magkababayan din. Oh, bayan.
Pero magkaibigan kami before sa Pinas.
Papogi nyo ha. Ano kayo Pampanga?
Pero pag sa pangalan, Tarlac. Tarlac sa tabi. Ikaw, Tarlac ka ba? Saan ka ba sa Kaloocan? Kaloocan ka? Bali Tagalog ka?
Pero manalapit ako sa mga Kaloocan, medyo Pampanga. Sarap nga dyan.
Diyan sa mga taga-Kaloocan.
Sarap magluto niyan.
Sobra. Sisita kayo dyan.
Kaya ako sa mga Kaloocan, masarap ako kumain.
Ayun na naman. Pagkain na naman. Thank you. Thank you.
Johnny ang una.
Para sa akin, kayo una ko nakita eh.
Ha?
More money. Everyone here sends money home. Every kabayan here in the country sends money home. Send to help people save more. That's it. All we're trying to do is serve the community. And when we first had this idea, you know, shout out to Faye for Tap Tap. I know she's not here right now, but she gave us some really good feedback. We wanted to do a top 100 influencers award. And she said, you know what, Kabayans don't really like the whole who's first, who's second, who's last. What Kabayans are great at is coming together. It's about helping each other. It's about supporting each other. So we said, fantastic, because that's exactly what we're about at Send 2. So tonight is really about letting you know that we're here, having a really amazing time. I wasn't going to curse. But what I also want to do is I want to do an awards ceremony at the start of next year. And I want those awards to be recognizing Kabayans that are serving the community. What Kabayans are serving the community in the UAE and really helping people. Because so much of you are doing so much to really, really help people. And I want those people to be voted for by you guys. So I want to have you think this is a good party? I want us on the beach in Fujairah in January having an awesome time celebrating you guys and all the amazing things that you do. So guys, a really, really big thank you for everybody at Send 2 and have a really good night. Thank you. Salamat.
Where is he? Oh my God,
Grabe!
diba? Ganun na. Thank you so much. Oh, you're so sweet.
Taking advantage of their opportunity.
Ganyan dapat, kuya, di ba?
Alam mo?
Oo, pwede na daw ako umuwi. Hindi, pagbibigyan kita si Kuya Rico naman i-hug mo.
Kahit 24 hours pa. Diba? Kasi sawa naman ako sa buhay ko nag-iisa eh. Kahit anong pangalan, isa lang yan. They create content.
Yes.
In general, content creator.
Yes. Tell you this, that your voices play a pivotal, very important role. Kaya lagi sinasabi sa inyo that you need to use your voice in the right way. Kasi nga, you are in this part of the world where you are the ones who are delivering the new innovations, the very important informations to the community. Tama ba? Kaya kailangan laging tama ang mga sasabihin natin, right? Kaya thank you very much for always using your voice in a powerful way that truly makes a difference para sa community natin. And of course, ito na yung December 1 event natin. Before, like years ago, we would always have the Bayanihan event every December. But what does Bayanihan mean? Meron ba siyang connection with the year-end? Parang wala, di ba? So we change it. Anyway, everybody, lahat tayo dito, we always call UAE as our second home, right? And we changed the name of our year-end event into Shukran Festival because it is our way of thanking the host country. So this June 1, we will have our Shukran event that we will do. Sorry. June na, pakalayaan na ako. December 1, Shukran event. This time, medyo ibahin natin. So we will have a competition. We will have the K-pop. Sino mga mahihilig sumayaw dito? Oh my God, Jacob Pan. Yes, I know. Alam natin yung mga iba't-ibang nakikita na natin sa social media. Kaya, lingon-lingon. Ayan, lingonin nyo ang mga kaibigan.
Birthday daw ngayon ni Pinay Indian accent.
At saka ni Kuya Jeremy ng LPC.
Naku, may Pinay ang LPC.
Ate, palapakan nila naman at TFC.
Palapakan naman natin.
Yes. Pinakamahaba siya ang manalalo.
Iba yung ginahawakan mo.
Hindi kasi mga ganun ba?
Sound!
Wow! May camera. Hindi ko yung asawa.
Eh!
Nag-award ito mag-award kasi to be awarded.
Congratulations! 100! My boss can dance?
Of course! I know he knows how to dance. Yes.
Ayan na nga mga kapinoy in Emirates, si Ate Love, OFWT na Turner of Dubai. Sa mga gustong mag-booking sa kanila or advance booking for Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, pwede sila for live singing and performance entertainment.
Host tonight. So pag sinabi na mag-send ka muna, kunwari ito kung wawawi doon ka sa likod ng gabi. Ako? Okay. So gano'n tayo, bago magpadala, mag-send ka muna, tapos uupo, tapos lalabas si Choki. Tayong lahat, ladies and gentlemen.
Ano ba gawin ko si Bakit? Bakit ano? Bakit ako yata?
Hindi kasi syempre, di ba? Choki.
Yes, yes.
Di ba MC ka?
Opo.
MC. Tapos balita ko kasi multi-talented ka.
Opo.
Hindi maganda pero multi-talented.
Hoy, foolish na nga eh.
Oo nga, okay, go. Tapos bago ko pala mag-send ko muna, palakpak upo, lalabas si Choki. Okay, let's go.
Ano ba gawin ko? Manakot? Nalabas?
Hindi siya, wawawi ko ng wawawi. Hindi yung mga dancer.
Dancer ako?
Oo. Okay, ready? Nasa yung camera natin.
Go, sis.
Ito yung camera. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 5, 6, 7, go! Bago nga magpadala, mag-send ka muna!
Pero alam mo, TV, may nakita ko sa likod.
Ano?
May sasayaw.
May sasayaw.
Okay, na meron sila, sasayawan nila kung paano ang ano ng sayaw.
Oh.
Ang sento. Okay, tawagin natin si